In this tutorial, I will show you a simple way of making fairly realistic black fire opals. You first start with black clay on the thickest setting on your pasta machine. The brand of clay doesn't really matter. Cut the shapes of your future cabochons. Then bake them between tiles and paper as shown to preserve flatness. I will actually show you why using large or extra large mylar flakes is very important. I will make a couple cabochons with regular black flakes, in this case the ice resin opal fire opal ones. Next, it's time for bling. As base, use Glitterific clear holographic acrylic paint. Simply use your paintbrush to cover your cabochons with the paint. Then place black mylar flakes on the cabochon before the paint dries. They will stick to the paint. I tried no less than 16 different black mylar flakes before I found the ones that actually work. See the video description for the link. Once your mylar flakes are placed, allow a few more minutes for the base paint to completely dry out. Apply another coat of paint on top of the flakes. This time, allow it to dry completely. Cover with UV resin in 2 thin layers to avoid warping of the clay base. As an advice, try not to make your cabochons too large. Real black opal is very expensive, and the smaller your cabochon, the more realism your faux will have. After which, you can place your cabochon in a polymer clay setting, as the Chinese UV resin is oven safe, or you can make a wire wrap on it. And now you can see the difference. The regular size black mylar flakes cabochons look like clay covered in glitter covered in resin, while the large mylar flakes do have that mysterious flash that the beautiful black fire opal has.